Health approach, intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise.
Cravings are the worst, aren't they? Bread, crisps, chocolate. It's like your body's shouting at you. But honestly, it's not you failing, it's just your body adjusting. Cravings usually pass in 15 minutes or less, so distract yourself. Go for a walk, make a coffee, anything, because you know that it's likely to pass. Have some quick swaps ready: cucumber, cheese, Greek yogurt, handful of nuts, just so that you can grab those if the craving is too much for you. But half the time it's dehydration, so drink more water, drink herbal teas, anything that's just going to increase that a little bit for you, the hydration. Today I'm in day 9 of my current fast, and at around about 2 o'clock, so like 21 hours in, I was starting to just have that kind of pang and craving, so I decided to end the fast. And what I done, reached for a bit of cucumber, cubes of cheddar cheese, and it really just made the craving pass. It really worked.
So having another 21-hour fast doesn't really give me much time for my eating window. So broke my fast with a really quick, almost like a snack. This mug bread, it is my go-to. It's really nice, especially toasted. You can see it on the screen now. And I just topped that with chicken and some avocado. And then for dinner, I made this really lovely frittata. You can see the recipe for that on the screen now. And then just had some Greek yogurt and some nuts. And that was me done for the day. Just didn't feel hungry, didn't need the craving. Amazing.
So remember, cravings pass, they don't last forever. Have swaps ready and just ride it out, and make sure that it's not thirst that's you're mistaken for hunger. What is the one snack that you miss the most? Pop it into the comment below, and I'll do a later video on snack swaps to help.
Energy levels day now still really high, loving it. And my sleep over the last 2 nights has just been amazing.
See you next time.